Meet John. John is the manager of a manufacturing firm, and he works hard every day to ensure his company is successful. He understands that to thrive in the competitive manufacturing industry, he must focus entirely on critical tasks such as streamlining production processes, maintaining quality control, managing expenses, and ensuring his staff has the tools they need to deliver top-notch product. John can't afford to let computers and technology disrupt his daily operations. That's where we come in. Previously, John spent considerable time and resources ensuring all the technology used in his firm, like networking hardware, inventory management systems, and production line software, was functioning correctly. Unfortunately, technical issues often arose, which negatively impacted his employees' efficiency, his customers' satisfaction, and ultimately John's stress levels. One day, John realized there had to be a more efficient solution. He recognized the need for a reliable IT support and computer services company that understood the specific needs of the manufacturing industry. So, John enlisted our team to ensure that all his technology, from computers and printers to specialized manufacturing software, remains operational and efficient. This allows John and his team to concentrate on what they do best: manufacturing high-quality products for their customers. Want to operate as efficiently as John? It's simple. Contact us today. We can help you focus on what truly matters to your firm. Give us a call or visit our website to learn more.